The average person spends or buys around 3 to 4 pairs of shoes a year, equaling out to one every few months. For the average person, that could cost around $300 to $600, which is a lot of money. You can almost cut that price in half by cleaning your shoes, which is the easiest thing to do. Cleaning your shoes can keep yourself clean, can keep you from not being sick, and it also just makes a good impression on people. But the most important thing, it can also keep you from buying new shoes every 2 or 3 months. Today, I'm going to talk about the history of shoe cleaning, the steps to cleaning shoes, and finally, the benefits to cleaning shoes. So as we lace up, we can talk about the history of shoes. So the earliest stages of shoe cleaning started in the 19th century with shoe polishers and shoe shiners, which they would clean boots and dark-colored shoes to make them polished and look nicer. They would use materials such as wax, and they would use brushes like this one, but it would be horsehair, and it would be rougher just to clean the shoes, but it would make them look nicer, and yeah. Jumping ahead into the early 1990s, sneakers became very popular from basketball players like Michael Jordan and also just big brands on the rise such as Adidas and Nike. But there also needed to be a solution to cleaning those shoes because they were different materials instead of leather. Before there were cleaning kits such as this one, people used dish soap, laundry detergent, and many other items to clean their shoes. Around 1995, cleaning kits such as Cap Sneakers and Shoe MGK offered a good cleaning kit to keep your shoes clean longer, smell better, and overall just last longer. And they also offered good protection, which now I will show you how to clean the shoes. So starting off, what you want to do is you want to take the laces out of your shoes, which I've already done. And this is just so you can get in between the dirty spots underneath the little things right here. And what I like to do next is with the brush, you want to scrape off all the excess dirt on the shoes that can get stuck in there when you add water or anything, and it could create a muddy substance that could go farther into the shoe. So what you want to do first is you would want to clean the outside of the shoe with the brush with just no water. And yeah. Next, some people have wood shoe things to stuff in their shoes to keep them sturdy, but I'm just going to use paper, or you could use newspaper, whatever you want. So what you want to do is you want to stuff it into the shoe, and by doing this, it can keep the shoe firm, and with it being firm, it's easier to clean, so the material don't press down when you go to clean it. So as I finish doing this, next, you would want to have hot water in your bowl or anything like that, or you could use lukewarm water, I guess. And you take your brush and you dip it in the water, and you put the cleaning solution on it. You would just pour it on the brush and also in the bowl, and you would put your shoelaces into the bowl and let them soak for at least 10 to 15 minutes, just so they can get all the dirt and extra stuff stuck in there. Now, with your brush, you pour the solution on it, and then you would just get to scrubbing your shoes in a circular motion until you see like the dirt coming off or like all the extra stuff, and just to get them clean. And then you would want to do this for around 20 to 25 minutes so that your shoes are extra clean. And then what you would do is you would take out the shoelaces. And then what I like to do is I would take the brush and just start scrubbing all the stuff off to make sure you get all that excess dirt off, so you could have nice looking shoelaces. Next, what you would do is you would take the paper out of the shoes, and you would just like rinse them off a bit, wipe them down so the soap gets all off them. And then the most important part, you want to let them air dry. Because if you don't let them air dry, if you throw them in the dryer, it's going to turn the color yellow, and it's going to ruin your shoes because of the detergent in the in the shoe cleaner. So, and then once you do that, you just leave them out to dry for around 24 to 48 hours. And then your shoes will be good as new, and you would release your shoes, and that's all you would do. That's how you clean your shoes. So then moving on to the benefits of the shoes, cleaning the shoes. It can get rid of the dirt, bacteria, and fungi that get stuck in the shoes after a while. And if you have cuts on your feet, you can get infected because of how dirty your shoes are. And your shoes can smell, which could lead to odors, bad odors that you don't want around. But also, having clean shoes makes a good impression on anyone you want to make an impression on. Like, say, a boss, or you have a job interview, or you just want to look nice. Also, cleaning your shoes can keep everyone in your house safe, while walking around your house with dirty shoes can spread bacteria and fungi and making people in your house sick. So overall, I've talked about the history of shoe cleaning. I've showed the steps on how to clean your shoes. And finally, the benefits of shoes. I hope all of you realize today how important cleaning your shoes are. And I hope that you guys all clean your shoes. Thank you.